Okay, y'all, this is gonna be a 2 or 3 part one. We'll see what happens. I'm not gonna reveal the color. Look, it has begun. So we got the park lights out, or well, the front park lights, back park lights, tail lights. I'm gonna pull the front park lights out of it. Chris over here sanding on it. So it's begun. Team Tensei is April 6th. We got to have it done before then. So gonna be some late nights out here. The way things are going sanding, it looks like it's going pretty quick. So it is what it is. He gets tired, I'll sand some, vice versa. Not gonna be no show paint job. We took some paint that we got, and yeah, so it's not, can't say what color it's going. Y'all just gonna have to stay tuned to see that. There's only a couple people that know, but yeah, we got his Lucky Charms underwear on, I guess. I don't know, but oh, and I'm gonna do the pipe. Oh, excuse me. Oh, phew, excuse me. Sorry about that. I got the trailer down here. It's going to the shop Tuesday morning, and probably be Wednesday before I get over there to mess with it, because I got stuff I gotta do Tuesday. We're gonna do the roof on that thing. But yeah, put down in the comments what y'all think, what color this thing is gonna be. And I still ain't done a video on how much that helped or didn't help or whatever. I still gotta clean that pipe up, paint it. Probably we might paint it the same color as the car. What do you think? You think? Goofy. What y'all think? Y'all think I should paint that little short pipe right there? Should I paint it the same color as the car? Interesting. See what happens. Stick with us. We'll see how much we get done on this. I'm gonna do this all today. Today is Sunday. It is 4:30. We went in and looked at paint for, I don't know, an hour or so. Figured out what we was gonna do, and we brought the car up here and started on it about 30 minutes ago. So he's done that in about 30 minutes. But like I said, we're on a time crunch. We gotta get this thing done in less than 2 weeks from today. So what you think? You think we can do it? Obviously, we're not trying to get like all the little bitty things out of it. Like it's got a few dents in the hood. I might try to work, try to get them out, but I don't know what we're going to try and try not to get, but we'll go from there. Stay with us. Well, we're getting there for one day so far. We have a lot of spider cracks in it we're trying to get out, so it is what it is. We're getting there. Think we're gonna make it? 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks. What you think? We're gonna make it? Well, what's up, y'all? Y'all want some progress on the car? Of course you do. It's the video of the car. So we went ahead, took the mirrors off. We got most of the roof done. Chris has done a lot of sanding on it. He needs to learn. There's a lot that he did that we'll have to go back and fix up a little bit, but I got the hatch done pretty much, so I don't have the bottom of the hatch done. Top half all the way down through here. My wife's out here telling me it's supper time, I guess. So, but Chris done a lot of it, so let's give him credit. Go back, and we're hitting everything really rough because this thing had a lot of cracks in it. I guess, I don't know if I sprayed the primer too thick, and I don't know what happened. One of y'all body guys could tell me that, but can't really see any more of them right now. Hold on, let me spin this camera around and show you. See these little cracks? And I think it's from the primer being too thick because it's into the primer. Now it could be that I didn't leave enough flash time or something like that. It is what it is. The car, this was the first car that I had painted in like 20 years. So it was kind of like the test subject. My mom's 4Runner turned out good. Everybody else turned out pretty good. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. And we'll see how much sanding we can get done. We'll see how much this video we can get. Golly, I need to pressure wash that building, don't I? We'll see how much we can get done in this video to get everything where you want it. And we're gonna hit it hard this weekend. Chris has got a game Saturday. Other than that, I really don't think I have anything planned Saturday, Sunday. So Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, probably gonna hit this thing pretty hard. We'll put it in the garage so we can be in there as late as we need to be. and jam out some music and do some sanding. But let's go in here and get something to eat right now. What's up? Look, you can tell what I'm doing in here, right? It is 10:38. We're in here. Look at here. We gotta get sanding on the bumper some. Just so everybody knows, this isn't like a show car paint job, obviously. For one, I don't do those kind of paint jobs, but it is what it is. It's getting there. Preston come over a little bit, helped a little bit tonight, so he come over here and sanded on it some. I'm gonna start hand sanding on this bumper some, getting in all these little crevices and stuff, and get in there, and yeah, get it to where we can. I was wanting to get it in primer tonight. We just run into some things. Obviously, it's not gonna happen tonight. We're not gonna get it in primer. So the plan is to get it in primer tomorrow. Today is Saturday. Obviously tomorrow is Sunday. We'll go to church in the morning. We'll come back, start hitting this thing hard. I'm gonna plan on, my goal is to get everything sanded tonight, blow it all off tonight, and get it ready to, all we gotta do tomorrow is tape it up and then shoot it. So shoot the primer on it anyway. And then the primer will have to set, cure up a little bit, because we use like well, technically it's a high build, but I'll reduce it down to make it into a sealer type deal, which the stuff that I use, supposedly you can use it for all. But we're gonna probably just spray like a medium build on it, and then we'll go back and we'll wet sand it, and then we'll spray the color and the clear. But yeah, anyway, so that's where we're at right now. And then the bumper's sitting here, but it is inside. If we don't get it sprayed before Monday, it'll have to back out and get out of here, because I got something I gotta do Monday. But spray the primer tomorrow. I got a pretty big job I gotta do Monday, so I'll have to get this out here and do that Monday, and then we'll turn around and bring it in Monday evening. Maybe we'll spray it Monday evening, I don't know. Gotta get sprayed soon. Show's next weekend. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'm gonna end this one here, and y'all gonna have to keep guessing on the colors. A few people would know what it is. Please do not comment in the bottom if you know what color it's going. Don't let them know. But we're getting there. We had a few little dents in the hood that we patched up. That's about it. The hood's the real only thing we patched up. It had a lot of the cracking in, as y'all seen earlier in the video, from before. So we had to get a lot of that out. That's one reason it's taking so long, but it is what it is. Yeah, so stick with us. Find out what color this thing is going. But for now, see ya.